Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I wanted to share my experience with the Peach and Lily Rescue Duo. This is a line of two products recently released from the brand Peach and Lily that are supposed to restore and repair the skin barrier. The two products in this line include their Rescue Party Barrier Restore Serum, which retails for $47, and then their Rescue Party Barrier Comfort Cream, which retails for $43. I'm going to talk about my experience with both individual product, and then I'm going to talk about my opinion on the line overall. First of all, the serum is so lightweight. I am so in love with the serum. Don't let this lightweight texture fool you. This is a very intense and restorative serum. Something I love about the brand Peach and Lily is that whenever they are listing off the highlighted ingredients, the list seems to go on and on and on. The ingredients in this product are top tier, and it is an amazing blend to soothe and rebuild the skin barrier. I've tried a lot of skin barrier supporting serums on this channel, especially recently, and this one really stood out because it was such a lightweight yet very nourishing serum. What I noticed with this product and the Rescue Cream as well is that it seems like immediately after it goes on the skin, it delivers an instant calming benefit and also an instant soothing benefit as well. This product seemed to calm my redness almost immediately. It has ingredients like heart leaf, colloidal oatmeal, a calcium complex, ceramides, and mugwort. All of these ingredients I've seen trending in different products, and it's so amazing because they've all been blended into this serum. Another thing is I usually don't spend a lot of money on skincare, but this product and this moisturizer are both the exception to me. This serum is $47, but I only found that I had to use 1 to 2 pumps of it, and I feel like at the rate I'm using it both day and night, it will last for about 2 months. This product is just so impressive. I've been so excited to talk about this product because when I say these are the best ingredients that I've seen in a serum, this is an extremely barrier supportive serum, and I just cannot recommend it enough. The lightweight texture, I feel like it is suitable for all skin types, whether you have dry or just dehydrated skin and you're wanting a skin barrier supporting product. This product is also going to be perfect for the colder months, and I'm glad I tried out both of these products during the winter. The timing of this release really couldn't be any more perfect. Now I want to talk about the Rescue Party Cream. I feel the same way about this product as I do about the serum. Now this is a standard size for a moisturizer, and it is a little bit more of a luxury price point, but honestly for the great ingredients that I see in this product, it is well justified. They blended in so many great ingredients and so many soothing ingredients as well. This product especially I noticed to instantly calm some of the redness that I was experiencing in my skin and give a very dewy finish. I feel like the serum is a more lightweight way to deliver the ingredients of it into your skincare routine, but the moisturizer is a little bit richer. I feel like it is definitely designed for dry and dehydrated skin, but if you are a little bit more oily, you may want to just go in with it as a night cream. I mean, this moisturizer I cannot recommend enough. It didn't clog my pores or cause acne, and also the serum didn't either, but this product especially, I was a little bit worried because the texture is a little bit of a thicker and richer cream, but this product has soothed my acne so much. It's delivered great soothing benefits, and similar to the serum, it's a great blend of ingredients that I feel like make it really unique from a lot of other products on the market. I mean, I cannot recommend this product enough. These products together, I would 100% recommend getting as a duo. Peach and Lily makes some of my favorite skincare. They take their time with a lot of their launches, and they don't launch a lot of products, but it's because so many of them are hard hitters. These products are no different. The moisturizer delivered a great hydration to the skin without being greasy, but it definitely was a little bit of a richer cream. It's just something that was so nourishing and soothing for my skin in the winter. I will post updates on this product and see how it performs during the summer. It may just be more of a wintertime product for me. I do have combination skin, and it was perfect for all areas of my face, but I am a little bit more dry during the winter. These products are no joke. They have combined amazing ingredients. I do feel like they would be designed for all skin types, especially the serum. The moisturizer may be a little bit too rich for oily skin, but you still could use it as a night cream if you want a very good hydration. And if you also have dehydrated skin, I feel like both of these products would be perfect. I mean, when I saw these products and these ingredients, I felt like I was going to love them, and for that to be true has made me so happy. I cannot recommend recommend these products enough. The price point is justified in my opinion, and Peach and Lily makes some of my favorite skincare products, and I honestly think that these are my favorite products from their entire line just because they do focus on barrier support. I mean, there are so many barrier supporting products out there, but I really haven't seen a product with this many amazing soothing and calming ingredients in it. If you struggle from dehydration, or if you struggle from redness, irritation, sensitive skin, these products are going to be the products for you. I really have fallen in love with both of them, and I cannot recommend both of them enough, especially for the winter months. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.